Good morning, everyone. I am delighted to welcome you all today. Thank you for being here. Today, we will explore the role of the inspector. This is a fascinating topic that covers the essential responsibilities and impact of inspectors in our field. Over the next few minutes, I'll give you an overview of what this role entails, its significance, and how inspectors contribute to maintaining standards. So, let's get started and look forward to an engaging session. Let's take a closer look at the qualifications required for inspectors. First, training is essential. It's the foundation that ensures they understand the standards and procedures they need to follow. Practical experience is equally important. Hands-on work in manufacturing or quality control helps inspectors develop a keen eye for detail and a solid understanding of the processes involved. When we talk about academic qualifications, most inspectors have backgrounds in fields like pharmacy, chemistry, or other sciences. These disciplines provide the technical knowledge necessary to assess complex pharmaceutical products. Additionally, many come from a pharmaceutical industry background, which gives them real-world insight into how these products are made and tested. Now, regarding the role of the inspector, it's not just about checking boxes. It's about ensuring safety, efficacy, and quality across the board. They act as guardians of public health, making sure that manufacturing practices meet regulatory standards. So, their qualifications, training, experience, education, are all geared towards equipping them to perform this vital role effectively. Let's talk about training, which is a crucial part of ensuring effective inspections. First, in-post training is essential. It allows inspectors to learn and improve right where they work, applying knowledge directly to real situations. Accompanying experienced inspectors provides valuable mentorship and hands-on learning, helping new inspectors gain confidence and practical skills. Regular updates of knowledge are also vital because the pharmaceutical and quality control fields are constantly evolving. Staying current ensures inspectors are aware of the latest standards and best practices. This is achieved through courses and seminars that cover key areas like pharmaceutical technology, microbiology, and the statistical aspects of quality control. All of these training components, ongoing education, mentorship, and staying informed, contribute to the core role of the inspector. They ensure inspectors are knowledgeable, skilled, and prepared to uphold quality standards effectively. This continuous development ultimately supports the integrity of our pharmaceutical products and protects public health. Today, I want to talk about the responsibilities involved in our role. First, we need to prepare a detailed factual report that covers all aspects of manufacture and control. This report should focus on specific products, highlighting their unique characteristics and requirements. Assessing GMP compliance is a crucial part of our job. We must identify any faults, irregularities, or discrepancies that could affect product quality or safety. Based on our findings, we provide advice on how to improve manufacturing and control processes. It's important to remember that these recommendations depend on national policies, so they must be tailored accordingly. Our goal is to ensure consistency and make this information available to everyone involved, fostering transparency and trust. Motivating manufacturers to comply with GMP standards is essential. We need to encourage them to correct any specific deficiencies we identify, helping to uphold high-quality standards across the board. Ultimately, our role as inspectors is to safeguard the integrity of the manufacturing process, ensuring that products meet the required quality and safety standards for the benefit of public health. When we talk about the personal qualities of an inspector, the first key point is the importance of conforming to codes of ethics and conduct. This means always acting with integrity, honesty, and professionalism, ensuring that our actions align with the ethical standards set for our role. Being independent and free from conflicts of interest is equally crucial. We need to make decisions based solely on the facts and the evidence we gather, without any undue influence or personal gain affecting our judgment. It's also vital to avoid having a double role as both inspector and consultant. Wearing both hats can create conflicts and compromise objectivity, so maintaining clear boundaries helps preserve our impartiality. Resisting attempts to influence our decisions is another core quality. Whether from colleagues, stakeholders, or external pressures, we must stand firm and prioritize fairness and the integrity of the inspection process. Discretion is also key. Handling sensitive information carefully, respecting confidentiality, and knowing when and where to share information appropriately. Now, shifting to the role of the inspector, these personal qualities support our fundamental purpose, ensuring safety, compliance, and trust. Our independence and integrity directly influence how effectively we fulfill this role, maintaining public confidence and upholding the standards we're entrusted with. Now, let's take a closer look at the role of the inspector. Inspectors play a crucial part in maintaining safety and compliance across various industries. Their primary responsibility is to ensure that standards and regulations are followed correctly. This involves thorough inspections, identifying potential issues before they become serious problems. Inspectors must be detail-oriented and objective, assessing situations based on facts and evidence. They're also problem solvers, finding solutions and recommending corrective actions when needed. Importantly, inspectors serve as a bridge between regulations and real-world practice, ensuring everyone stays aligned with safety goals. This role ties directly into our overall theme of safety management and continuous improvement. By understanding the inspector's role, we see how vital their contributions are to creating safer, more compliant environments. Let's consider some of the possible situations we might encounter as inspectors. First, we might be dealing with a new company or a new factory that has license applications in the pipeline. In this case, our role is to ensure everything is set up correctly from the start, guiding them to meet standards before operations begin. Next, we might encounter a company with a history of problems. Here, our focus is on identifying recurring issues and helping them implement sustainable improvements. It's about fostering long-term compliance rather than just quick fixes. We also have situations where a local company is on its third inspection. They may not have major non-compliances, but there are some minor defects and uncertainties about how to improve standards further. Our job is to support them, clarify expectations, and assist in elevating their practices. Then there are established companies with a good history and trained personnel. If they are planning to build a new factory, they might need support on the design phase. Our role is to provide guidance early on, ensuring that their plans align with safety and compliance standards from the outset. Lastly, we sometimes work with multinational companies that uphold world-class standards. In these cases, our role is more about verification and maintaining their high standards, ensuring they continue to lead by example. Throughout all these situations, our core responsibility as inspectors is to adapt our approach, provide expert guidance, and support continuous improvement, always connecting back to the overall goal of safeguarding health, safety, and compliance. For further support, please feel free to contact us. We're here to help with any questions or additional assistance you might need after this presentation. Thank you so much for your time and attention today. We appreciate your interest and engagement, and we look forward to staying connected.